Are you sick of chicken and rice? Same. Today, I'm giving you 5 high protein meals you'll actually want to eat, and each right around 50 grams of protein, and all done in 20 minutes or less. More flavor, more variety, the same muscle building macros, minus the burnout. And stick around for the quick 3-roll macro cheat at the end so you can adjust any meal on autopilot. All right, meal 1 takes less than 2 minutes. This one is stupid fast and sneaky high in protein. Grab 2% Greek yogurt, mix in a scoop of whey until it's smooth, then top with berries, a tiny drizzle of honey, and a sprinkle of chia. That's literally it. You're sitting at about 50 grams of protein in 2 minutes, plus fiber so you'll actually stay full. No honey, use stevia. If you're dairy free, swap in plant protein and a coconut yogurt. If you want a little crunch, a small hit of high protein granola does the trick. Now let's level up chicken and rice in a way you'll actually crave. Yes, it's chicken and rice, but way yummier and better balanced. Rice, sliced chicken, beans and corn, and that tangy crema. You land around 60 grams of protein with balanced carbs and actual flavor. Brown rice works. If you want a little bit lower carbs, you can do cauliflower rice and add an extra ounce or 2 of chicken to keep your protein high. Next up, slurpy high protein noodle soup with beef. Start with a little oil in the pot and wake up some minced garlic and grated ginger. Don't brown it, just fragrant. Pour in broth with soy or coconut aminos and a splash of rice vinegar. I make my own stock, but you can use whatever stock you want. Drop in edamame or chickpea spaghetti and a couple cups of frozen or fresh veg. Let that simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. Kill the heat and swish in paper thin slices of sirloin so they cook gently in about a minute. You can finish with green onion, chili heat if you like, and a pinch of sesame. You're eating a huge, satisfying bowl with 60 plus grams of protein, lighter on the carbs, and full comfort vibes. Swap the beef for chicken or tofu if you want, or bump the veggies. You can really do whatever you want with this one. Now let's do creamy pesto pasta without the cream. Creamy, bright, high protein. Boil 1 ingredient whole grain pasta to al dente. Before you drain it, save a little pasta water. In a mixing bowl off the heat, whisk Greek yogurt with pesto and lemon juice and black pepper. Toss the hot pasta in the bowl and splash in the pasta water until the sauce turns silky. Then fold in a little cooked chicken. 2 to 3 ounces is perfect here. You end up around 50 plus grams of protein with that creamy pesto flavor and 0 heavy cream. Need more protein? Add another ounce of chicken. I like to throw in a handful of spinach with this one, or you can use gluten-free pasta if you need it. This is the 5-minute I'm starving fix. Combine tuna with rinsed cannellini beans, a thin sliced red onion, and capers. Squeeze some lemon juice over the top, add a little bit of olive oil for bright and light, and a little bit of Greek yogurt to make it a little bit creamier and higher protein. Salt and pepper to taste, then fold in a big handful of arugula. You're at 40 to 50 grams of protein in minutes. Add a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt if you want to push it higher. Chickpeas work too here, and fresh herbs slap on this. All right, here's my 3-roll macro cheat sheet. Roll 1, hit about 50 grams of protein per meal. That's roughly 6 ounces of cooked chicken or sirloin. But if you notice, a lot of these meals are combining other ingredients that are high in protein. That's the simplest way to meet your protein numbers without feeling like you have to eat a ton of meat. Things like beans, peas, legumes, chickpea pasta, Greek yogurt, all are gonna add protein to your meals. Rule number 2, pick a 30 to 60 gram carb lane based on your goal. You can easily drop 15 grams by losing a half cup of rice. If you need more fuel, add a half cup of rice or a small tortilla. Or if you need lower carbs, make some simple swaps like cauliflower rice and put those grams back into protein or veg. Rule number 3, keep fats in the 10 to 20 gram window. If you want it richer, add a tablespoon of olive oil, some avocado, or a little cheese. On a leaner day, you can go 0% Greek yogurt and use a quick oil spray for the pan. So there you have it. 5 meals, roughly 50 grams of protein each, all under 20 minutes and none of the boring burnout. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite non-chicken and rice high protein meal in the comments and I'll feature the best ideas in my next video. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button so we can keep making awesome content for y'all.